So we have 256 to the power of the square root of x is equal to 64 to the power of x. So we can express the left hand side as 16 to the power of 2 and then the square root of x, and then the right hand side we can express this as 4 to the power of 3 and then to the power of x. Okay, so we can further break this down to 4 to the power of 2 times 2 the square root of x, and then on the right hand side we have 4 to the power of x. So you can see that 4 can cancel out 4 and we can equate the powers, and so we have 2 times 2, which gives us 4, then the square root of x, and is equal to 3x. Okay, so we can take the square of both sides. You take the square of both sides, and then we have 4 root x squared is equal to 3x squared. So when you take the square of this, 4 squared gives us 16. The square root of x squared will give us x, and is equal to, 3 squared gives us 9. X squared gives us this. Okay, so this becomes a quadratic equation. This becomes a quadratic equation that we can solve for the values of x, and then we can transform this equation to become 9x squared minus 16x is equal to 0. We can easily see that x is common, and then we can bring out x, and then we are left with 9x, okay, minus 16, which is equal to 0. Easily we can see that x is equal to 0, or when we equate the bracket to 0, we see that x is equal to 16 over 9. And so when you substitute either of these values into the original equation, you would see that we obtain the correct answer. Okay, so that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.